Okay, Python is instance function that I used in the adapter concept. Just down here is instance item, checking if an object is an instance of class B. Okay, is instance. Okay, it returns true or false. Okay, so let's open the Python interactive console. Okay, is instance 1 an integer? True. 1 is an integer. Is instance 1 a boolean? False. What about a string? False. What about is 1 a list? False. We can check lots of things. Is true a boolean? So is true a boolean? It's true. What about is ABC a string? Yes, it's true. Now, we could also check an object against multiple types. So is ABC a string or an int? True, it's one of those. Is it a boolean or an int? False. And you can see down here, is instance ABC an int, list, dictionary, tuple, set, or string? It's going to be true. If I took away the string, it's a false. And so I've used it to test one of my custom classes. So just copy that. I've copied that to clipboard. Going into test.py class, my class, nothing to see here, it's just empty. Class A equals my class. Let's print the type of my class. And then we'll print is instance class A boolean, which is going to be false. Is instance class A my class? That'll be true. So let's run that. Python, well, I better save it. There we go. Test.py. So class main my class, that's that line there, prints that. Is instance class A bool? False. Is instance class A my class? True. So it's just a very useful little option that we have when running code, is to test whether something is an instance or not. So in the adapter concept here, if the instance of item in this list was a class B, then I'd call item method B, otherwise item method A. Excellent. In the next video, we'll look at the Python time module that was also introduced in the adapter pattern example. Excellent.